In this video, we're going to focus on adding spacing in the tree map with our Chartjs Treemap plugin in Chartjs. So this is part 3, and what we're going to do is we're going to modify here the spacing in here, because playing around with this can be very useful as well. So let's scroll down here, and luckily this is a very short topic and easy to follow. So in here, by default, there is a space between here, which is probably 1 or 2 pixels. So what we can do here is we can control and modify this even more. So what I'm going to do here is very simple. I'm going to say spacing, and let's put it first on 0. Put a comma here, save that, and refresh. There we are. So what happens now is automatically it will just really attach to it. Of course, it will calculate the border space between there. So that is very nice. So if, for example, I'm going to remove the border width, or let's put it on 0, save that. You can see here now, this looks really, really phenomenal. Of course, it's hard to probably notice the difference in here. But what we could do here is, for example, 5, save that, refresh. You can see here, it becomes almost like a piece of art. Absolutely beautiful. And with this, basically, you can play around with your spacing, controlling it in every possible level, and removing the border width makes it even look far more beautiful.